Markings by Dag was written in 1963. The main message is, do not allow your vanities to sabotage your life purpose. Success for the glory of God or for your own, for the peace of mankind or for your own. Upon the answers to this question depends the result of your action. This book consists of thoughts, quotes, fragments of text resembling short stories and poems, beginning in 1925 and ending only a month before Dag's death. The paradox of the successful person is that although they have got where they have through self-control, genuine success will only emerge when they let go of self-regard and just became a tool of God. In a culture that glorifies success, the deadening effect of its pursuit is hardly talked about, but marking provides the perfect antidote to vainglory. In markings, Dag observes that the ego does not like commitment or opening itself up to vulnerability, but only in doing so is real progress, person and professional made.